Hello, my fellow VTubers, especially the ones that sell things on booths. This is an informational video for you. So I might be late to the party, but I'm gonna let you know that if you do make custom-made items that you either sell on booth and or Fiverr, you can make a version of your clothes that you sell to be a non-editable file type. So what I mean by when you are exporting your outfit, normally we would just press save and export as custom item. Now this allows the viewer or the person getting your item to go in and edit the textures, and they can add, toggle in things as they please, and you never know what might happen to the outfit. Now if you are selling on booth, you probably don't overly want too many changes done to your outfit. I mean, obviously you're letting them do whatever their creative output is that you hope that the person's gonna respect the non-sell value. But if you want to make sure that they don't resell your stuff and you're really concerned about it, now instead you would type in, so I'm just gonna go back to, so now you would click on export as an XWear data. So what this does, it gives you, instead of a .vroid custom, what was the title? Instead of a .vroid custom item, it's now a .XWear. So this allows you to export the model or the item, the article of clothing, as a dress up only feature. So now the person can only put on the clothes, but they can't edit it. What does it look like? I don't know. I haven't tested that out yet. I did send it to one of my clients, but I do not know what it looks like. And I believe that you can also possibly do that with not only the clothes, but the avatar itself, which is actually pretty sick. And as well as some of like the additional features. So like, let's say I wanted to sell some of her facial features or whatever, I can do that and not have someone being able to resell it. I mean, they could still resell it obviously, but like for example, the clothing, let's say that was my main concern. Now I can put like a little tiny watermark on the article of clothing and the person can't do anything about it because it's just gonna be there. But I'd obviously want to put it in an area that's not like the most visible to the common eye. So maybe it'd be like in between here, like a line going diagonal or something like that. Something very small, not the most noticeable. But anyways, yeah, I just thought that was cool. And then if you didn't know, now you know. Can't say I didn't tell you.